Alright, we're in security. Travel tip number one, I'm going to give a few today. If you can take just carry-ons, just take carry-ons. That personal item and carry-on, that's all you really need. Made it through security. Now we're headed to our gate number 22. Before we... Oh, they have Tucker's Onion Burger in here? Do I have enough time to eat? Flight leaves at 12:30, and it is not sure exactly what time it is. So I technically have an hour before my flight. I may have to get an onion burger. Haven't ate all day. Time to get some Tucker's Onion Burger. Super excited. Super hungry. Haven't ate all day. And rushing to get to this flight. But luckily I got through security super quick. So it's like 11:20. My flight doesn't even board for another like 45 minutes. So I'm going to eat and then go from there. So here's some B-roll of my food. With the phone.
What's ready?
Thanks. Thank you. Another flight pro tip, if you want to make sure you get overhead compartment when you bring a bunch of camera gear, like I'm doing, or if you're flying for, to film something, let them know at the gate. And a lot of times they'll just let you on early, give you that extra time to get your stuff all packed up, kind of guarantee that you get that overhead, so you don't have to worry about accidentally having to check your camera equipment, because you definitely don't want to do that. Boarding time. Okay, so it's the next day from my travel day. So my last travel tip, probably the most important one, the one that I didn't follow and you need to make sure you do. If you're gonna vlog or do things with your phone, bring a charger and a battery pack. Till next time, y'all stay creative and we'll see you later. Peace.